Good morning, everyone. This particular video is being recorded and shared with you in order to explain you the installation procedure of Turbo C. Right, Turbo C compiler, we use it for our C program compilation. However, there are many compilers available in the market free of cost. There are more than 99 compilers that are available today, but the Turbo C is a standard C compiler which actually follows the ANSI C version, and that's the reason it is recommended to you to use only Turbo C. In our lab, we are using Turbo C compiler, and for you to practice programming, C programming at your home, you should also know how to install Turbo C in your computer. That's the reason this video has been created and shared with you. And let me show you the procedure. Right, so in order to install Turbo C, you just need to go to Google, and the procedure is quite simple. And in Google search engine, you just need to type Turbo C. 1 second. Yeah, so in Google search engine, you need to type Turbo C download. So there are many websites from where you can download this compiler, but Developer Insider is a very popular and trusted site, reliable. So I prefer to download Turbo C++ from this site. So there is a button called as download Turbo C++. Just click on this button. Downloading will be started and it will not take more than a minute. So the download, see here, there's a download button, download symbol is there, down arrow. You can see downloading has been started and it's completed also. So when you click on this symbol, you can see the progress, right? One download in progress, right? Just 1.5 minutes. It will not take more than that. See here, it's downloading, but already I have downloaded. So you will see a zip file, means you will get Turbo C as a compressed zip folder, zip file. So click on this button. There is something called as show in folder, right? It will take you to the folder where this Turbo C compiler was downloaded. Nothing but your downloads folder. Now here, this is an extract zip, compressed zip file, right? You have to extract this. So right click and click on button extract all. When you click on extract all, it will be extracted, right? 100% completion has to be done. So it is extracting it. Please observe the procedure. It's quite simple. So what we have done, we have gone to Google, and in the search engine we have typed Turbo C download. From a reliable website like Developer Insider, you can download the Turbo C. Yeah, so all the files which are there in the compressed zip folder, zip file, will be extracted to a folder called as Turbo C folder. In that Turbo C folder, you will find 3 or 4 files. There is one important file called as a setup file or an application file. You have to run that. In order to install Turbo C, you have to run that file. So once this extraction is completed, I'll show you that also. Meanwhile, let me check whether already Turbo C is installed in my machine. Yeah, already Turbo C is there. No, it's not there. Because if already Turbo C is installed in your machine, then again you can't overwrite it. We cannot overwrite. %66%. You just need to wait for that installation extraction to be completed. It's almost done. 80% it's completed. Done. So see here in the downloads folder, I have this zip file and the extracted folder. Open this extracted folder. You will see Turbo C 3.2. See in this you have setup file. See this one, application. This application is the file which is going to install Turbo C in my computer. Double click on this one. Double click on this one. It will start the installation process. So friends, it's very simple. Make sure that you install Turbo C in your machine and practice C programming. Already it's there. So since in my machine already it's there, I'm trying to remove it. If it is not there in your computer, it will not ask for remove, repair or modify. Directly it will install. So generally in your computer, since Turbo C++ is not already present, so it will not go for uninstallation. It's already there in my machine and I'm trying to show you the installation procedure. What it will do is it will first remove the existing one, then again it will start from the beginning. So this will not happen in your machine because already Turbo C is not there in your machine. So here installation, it will start like this. You have to accept the license agreement, then click on install. The installation process begins and it will take hardly 1 or 2 minutes to complete the installation process. Friends, we have discussed conditional statements in our class. So in the Yashwant Kanetkar textbook, there is chapter 1 and chapter 2. I think conditional statements is chapter 2. So practice the exercise problems of Yashwant Kanetkar, right? So once the installation is completed, there is something called as launch the program, right? Please uncheck this, uncheck and click on finish. So the installation process is done. Minimize all windows. On the desktop, you can see Turbo C++ icon, right? So just double click on this one. You will see a welcome screen, start Turbo C++. You may be seeing multiple windows. Press on F5 so that you can see only one window. Alt F new. Step 1, very first step is to save, rename your file and save it with .c extension, because .c means C file, .cpp means C++ file. So it was told to you several times even in the lab, like first step is to save your file with .c extension, right? So I'm just, let me save this, right? I'm just writing a small program just to check whether the installation was done successfully or not. I'm just printing a welcome message. Compile, execute. Welcome. Yeah. So that's it. Turbo C installation was done and it is working. We have checked it. So friends, this is the installation procedure of Turbo C, and everyone please download and install Turbo C based on the installation procedure explained to you in this video. and continue practicing programming. And problem solving is much more important than programming. So we'll be telling you from where you can get a lot of problems, like Yashwant Kanitkar examples are one place where you can get problems. And HackerRank is also one very good platform which I have suggested you, and I've shown you how to use HackerRank platform. So please spend a lot of time in problem solving, then only you will become a good programmer, right? So I hope this video will be helpful in installation of Turbo C compiler, and I hope you will be practicing programs in this vacation also. Thank you.